Hey everyone, it is Andrea, and today I am coming at you with this week's new releases. All of these releases will go live Wednesday at noon Eastern. Let's go ahead and get into it because I do have 3 kits to show you. Am I missing a kit? No, it's going, 3 kits. So we have these 3 plus a pop mystery. This one came out last week, but I didn't show it in video. So technically I have 4 kits, but 1 came out last week. It's a long story. So let's go ahead and start at the top. So first things first is we do have some scribblers. Is this the last one? And then I have to design more, which I'm going to be doing the couples ones next. I think there might be one more after this then. Couples ones. Not 100% sure. Oh, I have some Christmas ones I need to do. Christmas and Halloween, I think, and Halloween's very late, so maybe I'll just actually save those for next year. But I do have Christmas ones to do, so we'll get to those first, then we'll do the couples ones. But these ones are the Scribbler boy holding a bouquet of flowers. So cute. So they come in the normal option. So you have options 1 through 6. So that is number 65. Some new characters this week. We do have Ratatouille and Nemo. Ratatouille is 118 and Nemo is 119. Some new doodles for this week, some more sports ones. So 782, a volleyball. 783, classic colored volleyball. 784, ice skates. 785, classic color ice skates. 786, like karate type robes shirt. 787 is baseball. 788 is classic colored baseball. 789 is a jersey, kind of looks kind of hockey-ish. 790 is like safety gear, kind of looks football / hockey-ish. Not very good at sports. 791 is baseball gloves, and 792 is classic colored baseball gloves. So that is more of the sports. Then we have just some a la carte foil that I've been meaning to release. So these are the bows. I don't know. I thought that these were in shop in these colors, but I don't think so. So these are nice to pull into any spread. So I did get them in the fun core foils, but then a couple of other foils as well. So the first one here is Lavender Hollow, and it will be in the same listing as the core one is. So Lavender Hollow, Matte Bronze, Champagne Lights, Sparkly Rainbow, Matte Silver, and Gold Hollow. So just some more fun colors to pull into your spreads with some bows. These are just foil colors that I do use quite often, so those will be added to the shop Wednesday. The foil bundle for this week is so pretty. It is a matte silver snowflake. So stinking pretty. So this is, I believe it was the extras from, is it October Mystery? So pretty. So this one here has your 6 full boxes and header overlays. You do get 2 of those. These snow bougies, the new icon page in the scripts, as well as the snow bottom washi headers, deco, and date numbers. So that is the snow in matte silver. So stinking pretty. Will be on special pricing from Wednesday through Sunday. The next thing here is the kit that released last week. So this is currently in shop if you want to pick it up. This is called Unwind, and it is a spa-esque type collection. So perfect anytime, not just for the winter, but it would be really pretty in the winter. It'd be really pretty if you were doing something in the winter that spa you with a matte silver, because I think matte silver would go really nice with this, but I also think matte bronze would. This is a Planet Hannah kit, but you can kind of get the idea. And we do have a matte bronze, matte silver mixed metal, so I think that'd be really fun as well. Just very serene and beautiful. I love this kit. It's just so stinking pretty. It's where I want to be. I love these colors, just very muted and neutral. It gives me almost like ocean vibes, but just kind of relaxing tones. The bottom washi page, and then the extra and the ultimate and the mini is the hand that is on the glitter header page and the different skin tone options. So that is Unwind. There is add-on options available. You might have already picked up this kit. If you did, let me know if you did down below and what color foil you're going to do with it. So add-on options, there's quite a few. So there is the label. There's label 2, which is a more like warm terracotta-y color. Ombre, functional, doodle, fashion, and then there is fam. So there's fam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So lots and lots of options there. So stinking pretty. The next kit we have here is called Snowy. So this is new art for this week. Super gorgeous. This art came in 2 different colorways, and the green just is so gorgeous. So you have the 2 different double box scenes, but you could totally like separate these out. I think these scenes are always great to throw a quote on if you're going to do that. Like if it's not a double box, they're perfect backgrounds for quotes. You have a snowman and a little like cozy back of the car with like blankets, a outfit flat lay, and then some food. I love the little cinnamon rolls, and the soup looks so good. You have the solid and the pattern, the little things page, the glitter headers. I love the crock pot with the bowls, and then you also have like a little hockey flat lay, the like rounded box page here, your deco, and then your extra box, which is so cute with little thermoses, and the bottom washi. And date covers, of course. And then the extra boxes are just 2 more flat lays. So this one has a puzzle, and this one has some more like treats and presents and things like that. So there's a lot of full boxes in this that don't have fashion people. So, and there is a fashion, I think there's 2 different fashion add-ons. So really this one has a lot of full box options. So again, this is called Snowy, also just come in a mini kit. As far as add-on options go, we do have label, functional, ombre, doodle, and then we also have fashion 1 and fashion 2. So both of the fashions have a tall box and then 2 other boxes here. Totally could use all of these fashion people in one spread, and I think it would be so stinking cute. So again, 1 and 2, and that is Snowy. I'm probably gonna use this in January. I think it'd be really pretty. I feel like you could go really fun with the foil colors. I feel like this is another one that would be really pretty with the matte silver snow. It would also be really pretty with a regular silver snow, I think, as well. So I love that one. Another one that would look really pretty with this is rose, like not rose gold, but rose itself. I think it'd be really nice. Then we have my last exclusive Christmas art. I do have one more pot mystery I'm thinking about doing, but it's going to be a reformat from the past that has been requested for years to make a comeback. But I think I'm going to do that next week. And then I have 2 more pot mysteries for Christmas, but I think I'm just going to save those because I feel like we're kind of getting a little late for Christmas. But let me know if you want to still see them. Next week is going to be a reformatted pot mystery, but if you want to see more Christmas pot mystery, I think I have 2 more left. Let me know, or if you want me to switch gears and do something else pot mystery wise, I do have a lot left still. Let me know in the comments down below, and let me know. I don't know. Is it starting to get too late for Christmas? I need to know. But we do have new exclusive Christmas art. And this is called Christmas Baking. And I am obsessed with this kit. I think this kit is so cute. I had this set to the side because I thought that this would be really cute with the Planet Hannah collab. This is a SPC design kit for Planet Hannah. And I ordered it in matte bronze because I think it would be so cute. This is like a gingerbread themed kit. And I think it's perfect for baking. But if you wanted to do something different, I think also a matte bronze like sparkle or twinkle, or there is that matte bronze matte silver combo would be really pretty, or you could do like a burgundy red green kind of combo would be really nice with this as well, or you could do silver gold or mixed middle of those. I think those would be nice as well. So let me give you some close-ups. So this is exclusive art, you won't find it anywhere else, and I am beyond obsessed with it. I just think it's just a very quintessential Christmas with the baking elements, the kitchen, all of the goodies, the cinnamon rolls, you got donuts, you got a cake, you got milk and cookies. I love these classic Christmas colors, very cozy and just stinking gorgeous. You do have the bottom washi and more boxes there, and then you have another double box that has more cookies and treats and pies and all of the things. Another one that you could totally use these separate or together, and that is called Christmas Baking. I just think it's such a gorgeous kit, and I cannot wait to use it. I'm probably going to use it the week before Christmas because I think, is it Christmas Eve is on like a Sunday? Question mark. I think that's what it is. So I think this is going to be like my Christmas Eve kit. Comes in a mini as well. And as far as add-on options go, you do have the label, the doodle, ombre, and the functional. And then we do have fam options. We have fam 1, 2, so cute, little kiddo down there. 3, it's stuck, 4, 5, and 6. And I just think it turned out perfect. I love the little kiddo in the bottom. Very kind of like gender neutral, adorable, and then like so stinking cute. So that again is Christmas Baking. And if you wanted to know, I am going to be using it with this. I think it's going to be perfect together. I'm using it for Christmas Eve-ish time. So if you do not want to see the pop mystery, that is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Everything will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. But if you do want to see the pop mystery, stay tuned. So this pop mystery is not Christmas themed, but it's something that I'm like, oh, I have to get this out because it's coming out soon. And it is kind of a kit that's been requested for a long time, but we're doing this because it's coming out soon. And Hannah is also going to be releasing a foil bundle that will match us perfectly on Wednesday as well. And I am very, very excited for it. So let me go ahead and show you this. I'm going to give you the flyby. So if you just want to see the full boxes real quick, and that's all you want to see. And then I'm going to go into it in depth. So here's your flyby. Okay. So let's go ahead into it in depth. So this will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern through Sunday as a pop mystery. And this is called Songbirds and Snakes for the new Hunger Game movie that is coming out. And I am just obsessed with it. Now, I was like, oh, what foil color am I going to use with this? I feel like there's a lot of different foil colors that would look really good with this. But in my head, I think when this foil bundle can be used, I just need to do it, is Lavender Hollow and Gold Hollow. I feel like the Gold Hollow matches these like gold colors. And then the Lavender Hollow matches this kind of like taupey purple color, and I just think that this is going to be the vibe. And I'm going to get some stuff from Hannah, the bundles, to kind of like add in, and I think it's going to be beyond perfect. Like, come on, hold on, let me show you on the side so you have to see. Like, that is gonna be epic. Like, it's so pretty. Okay, so let's go ahead and go through the kit. So your full boxes here, again, you have like double boxes. I feel like this one on the bottom totally could be one where you put quotes on it. You could even like, let's say you go see the movie and then afterwards you have some favorite quotes. You could always order those from Hannah and then add them on later and just have boxes ready for them. Then for, these are a lot of like backgrounds and characters. So we just have a lot of like rose petals for the deco, but I thought that worked really well with the theme. And then you have the extra boxes there, super cute patterns, and then the bottom washi, and then another full box there as well. I didn't read the book, so I don't know like the full setup. Another one, this is like the, where they, I don't remember what it's called, like where they start, I believe, but also, I don't know, didn't read the book. Well, I read the Hunger Games, so I didn't read Songbirds and Snakes. Should I read it before I go see it? That is a question. That is a question. But also, I feel like I need to rewatch The Hunger Games. So there's a lot of things that need to get done before I go see it. But I'm going to go see this the week after Thanksgiving, I believe. Or the week of Thanksgiving. The week of Thanksgiving, I'm going to go see this. So I am very excited. I'm very excited to like lay down the base. I think it's going to be so stinking pretty and gorgeous and beautiful. I also think if you wanted, you could do this foil bundle and then get the Plan of Hannah bundle in like a red color. I don't know exactly what red color, but I feel like that would be kind of cool to do 3 different foil colors. Let me pull out my foils to see what red color, because I feel like that could be neat since there's so much red in the set. I'm kind of thinking, maybe, hold on, let me pull these out. Maybe deep pink or like strawberry. Hold on, you're gonna see the glare, but like the strawberry color kind of be pretty with it. That could be an option too. And then do the other foils with it. I feel like red might be a little too dark, but maybe you think it looks good. I don't know. I feel like also you could take like the bottom, the underlays and stuff, and then put this over top of it, and then kind of like dull it out just a little bit to give it the more muted color. I think it could be pretty. Let me know what you're gonna use in the comments down below. But I am obsessed. So that is the kit itself. Also comes in a mini kit, and then there is add-on options of the labels. There's also an extra color, which is a really pretty like mustard color. So pretty, or like gold. Doodles, functional, and ombre. And that, my friends, is everything for this week. This is in the confetti version too, if you were wondering. I brought him a bunch extra of those, and then the bunch extra of the, like, what were they? The Lavender Hollow Star, Lavender Hollow and regular Hollow, or Lavender Hollow and Sparkly Hollow. Brought him a ton extra of those. But that, my friends, is everything for this week. I hope you like this week's new releases. They'll all be available Wednesday at noon Eastern, like I said before. This kit here, Unwind, is already in shops. If you want to pick it up, you could go on right ahead. This is the second last week, I believe, to pick up or to get the October freebies, and then we'll be switching over to November on November 1st. And that is everything, and I'll talk to y'all in my next video. Bye. Also, I was looking through and I changed my mind. If you're going to use like a red color from Hannah, I think, hold on. It's not really showing up true to color on here, but I think coral is actually the best match. Yeah, it's like an in-person thing. This is a little bit lighter. Oh, there you go. See it? Like, it's pretty close. Coral would be really pretty. So just wanted to let you know.